Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today we're diving into a fun topic, budget-friendly wall art ideas.
Yes, because let's be honest, not everyone has the cash for expensive art pieces.
Absolutely, but that doesn't mean your walls have to be bare. There are so many creative ways to decorate on a budget.
For starters, let's talk about DIY art. You can create your own pieces easily. Have you ever tried that, Alex?
I have. I once made a large canvas using just paint swatches. It turned out great and cost me almost nothing.
That's a fantastic idea. Also, using thrift store finds can be a gold mine. You can find unique frames or prints for a fraction of the price.
Right. And sometimes just changing the frame can completely transform the piece.
Exactly. And speaking of transformation, what about creating a gallery wall?
Oh, I love that. It's a great way to display a mix of art styles and personal photos. Plus, it's super customizable.
You can even print photos from your travels or meaningful moments, and it doesn't cost a lot to print them at home.
That's true. And combining different sizes of frames can add a dynamic look to your gallery wall.
Yes, and don't forget about fabric. Using a beautiful piece of fabric as wall art can be so striking.
Oh, that's a great idea. You can stretch it over a canvas or hang it as is. It adds texture too.
Right, and if someone is feeling crafty, they could even make a fabric collage.
So many options. Also, what do you think about printable art?
That's a lifesaver. There are tons of websites where you can find free or inexpensive prints.
Yes, and once you print them, you can frame them or even just use washi tape to stick them to the wall for a more casual look.
Oh, that's a fun touch, and it's easily changeable if you want to switch things up later.
Absolutely. So, to wrap it up, there are countless ways to add personality to your walls without breaking the bank.
Totally. Whether it's DIY, thrift shopping, or printable art, you can express yourself beautifully and affordably.
Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you got some great ideas.
Until next time, happy decorating.
Bye.